Hello and welcome back to Dutchman Said. You join me here today at a Supra meeting in the Meern in Utrecht and the Netherlands. So we have a small lineup today with a couple of the Supra owners in the Netherlands. So check it out and let me know which one is your favorite.
Dit is die van jou of van mij? Dit is die van...
So 2JZ baby, 2JZ yeah. There we go. Some nice blue brake calipers, 18-inch wheels. Really nice body kit. Also nice painted brake calipers. I really like this hood. It's quite a nice slotted hood. Pretty cool interior. Some cool gauges as well. And the guys are busy doing a dashboard upgrade for TRD cluster gauges. Mike over here, one of the Supra owners, he does these conversion kits for the HVAC units. So he replaces the whole HVAC unit with a new modified unit, also for the dashboard. So that's really a cool thing. Most of the time those HVAC units go dead over a couple of years. So he's actually been prototyping some new models and he sells them now as kits to do for restoration on the cars as well. So if you're interested, I'll put a link below for Mike's products. Check it out and let me know if you want to order some of those, and I'll get you in touch with Mike. So Job Seeker Supra we have today. This one you guys have probably seen before in my videos. Nice Workmeisters, Work SD1 wheels. And this car you guys know, built by Smokey Nagata. And then we've got a really nice clean titanium silver or grey color Supra with real nice rims as well, super clean. Brembo big pot calipers, real nice top secret carbon hood as well, super neat. Also with the Recaro confetti seats like mine, real nice TRD dash. And then we've got a nice white one with original wheels still, that you don't see very often. Everybody swaps out the wheels. And then you got blue Supra Andre Supra here as well. So quite a small lineup of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Supras. We are a club of around 60 owners in the Netherlands. So there are more cars, but of course everybody's car is a project car. So they're always being worked on. Things are being repaired, restored, repainted, engines being rebuilt. So that's what we've got for today. And check it out, this is the lineup. So hopefully you guys enjoyed a bit of this content. And there is also something nice over there in the corner. Let's check that one out. Got a Skyline GT. This is the group of the guys. Say hello. Hey guys. So we've got a Skyline GT here, but I'm not sure who this belongs to. And he's gate crashing our Supra meet. So real nice GT, Bayside blue. Super clean as well, nice Brembo brake upgrade, Sparker seats, really clean, Sparker steering wheel, really nice interior, super neat, Furious R34, really nice, like a swan neck style spoiler actually, super nice, center mounted, really clean. I really like this R34. And hopefully there's some more guys pulling through today, because we were expecting around 10 cars, but the weather's not so great, typical Netherlands, so check you later.
Ik heb er al erin gepraat. Die slangen die kan je zo losgeven.
Oh, die zo mee, man.
Die zo mee.
Kijk, we zijn er opgevallen.
So guys can stand around the car all day, and women, with a drink in hand, just talking about cars, eh? That's amazing, right? How many hours can we stand here just looking at engines? Maar die is toch een hele kleine schatje.
Ja toch?
Ja.
Is
Of
het
van
ook?
mij. Ik denk deze past wel in die van mij.
Dat denk ik ook, ja. Ja,
Maar hij is toch mooi hè? Die de motion filters hè?
ja.
De blower valve. Deze heb ik niet. Gewoon laten door de
Ja?
turbo gaan. Altijd een mooie vloeteren.
Ja, leeft hij niet langer van, maar
Maar hij is wel gaaf hè?
kijk wel dik.
Ja. Maar deze
Heel
begint gewoon
gaaf.
goed te spoelen.
Ja, dat scheelt denk ik.
Echt veel.
There is Oscar.
Ja, dat is
Yes.
de volgende.
Beetje laat. Oscar coming late as usual. Coming late as usual. Oscar's always late, eh? Hey Wessel? Oscar's always late, eh? Has to come late, eh? Make an
Always
entrance.
late,
eh?
late, late.
Yeah, at least you're here, eh?
Yeah,
How's it going, bro?
yeah, good.
Ja, zet hem gewoon neer, man.
Nee, hierop en je stuurt van de handen.
Maar jij moet ook wel plaatsen
Ja.
met de rempels, hè?
Ja.
I love these wheels, man. Looks so good. Looks so good. With the big fat brake calipers.
Dat heb ik al een beetje gedaan.
So,
En dan moest ik ook nog draaien, maar ik moet bijna.
GTT R34 looking good. Yeah, nice with the blue color next to it. Yeah. Zo, eindelijk hè.